Hello and welcome back to our channel Cognitive Coders. So I'm Pritam Shah, and today this is another scenario we are going to discuss on the Databricks Lakeflow job. Okay, so what we'll do here today we'll see how to use the loop concept, okay, in the Databricks Lakeflow jobs, and how to parameterize the given data, okay. So send whatever it is sent from the upstream, and how to capture the data in the downstream level, that we'll see. Okay, so basically using the loop, using the for each loop, how we what kind of logic we can implement, that we'll see today. Okay, so let's go. First we'll see the simple thing, okay, that how to implement the things, how and where is the option, what are the options we need to configure, okay, that we'll see. So first we'll create one job, okay, job one. Okay, so job one I have created. We'll add one notebook. Okay, so notebook would be as a task we'll add. Okay, task A. This would be my task A. Okay, this task is as a notebook. I will add one notebook path here. So task A, notebook X. Okay, it's done. Now it is fine. Create the task. So already, and now it is added. Now, so how will configure the thing? So basically my thing will be configured. So task A or task X, whatever you are calling, this would be a single task. Okay, once it is uh, once it is executed properly, so once it is executed properly, it will go to this task. First this would be our scenario, and this task will execute in inner for each loop. Okay, this task will execute for under the for loop. Okay, so for loop for 5 times. Okay, so what we will do, so here we have option loop over the task. This option also you can choose, or you can take the for each loop task. This is also task. Okay, so for each loop task, from here you need to give the task name first. This would be my loop task. I'm giving the name loop task. Okay, so here you need to give 5 times it will run. So input you need to give like this: 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, like this also you can give. You need to basically pass your uh, array, pass the array, what you need to what would be your input. Okay, based on that array length, the loop will be considered. If the array length is 5, then the 5 times loop will execute. If the array length is 4, then 4 times it is execute. So instead of 1 2 3 4, you can you can give uh, your own parameters. If it is a country code, if it is a any sq code, something like that, you can provide that. That will come later. Okay, I will give another example for you. Okay, so now all the things are depend on task A. Once the task is succeeded, it will execute. So loop formation is done. So now we will add task to loop over. Okay, loop over. Okay, here we inside this loop, what would be the task? That is the thing. So now uh, this would be my task B. Okay, so this would be my task B. Okay, so it is under this loop. So loop over the task means task B. So how the task B will execute? Task B means I'm putting notebook Y. Okay, so all the things are done for now. And loop task also I have configured as for the array length, it is 5. So 5 times the task B will execute once the task A execute successfully. Okay, now if I'll run, go to the job, so execution is happening. If you want to see the job details, you can see performance optimization is enabled. Okay, now if we'll go task A, once it is done, then it will go, it is successfully executed, then it will go to the loop task. Okay, let it go. Now the task is successfully completed. Now loop task is executing. First task is there, the input is 1, like that 1 2 3 4 5 5 inputs will be here. You can see the second input. For the second input, the task run started. If you go here, it will give like this, the same thing. Okay, as the code is written simply, the same thing is giving you. Okay, you can also you can also pre you can also you can also capture this input in your notebook, and you can do with this input whatever transformation you needed. That we'll see after this, after this run completed. We'll see that example also, how to capture these inputs, and based on the inputs how to write your code. Okay, so let the run completed. The number 5 execution started. Okay, so each and every execution you can see 14 second, 13 second, all the things, all the details, run id and all the details you will get to see, as like in our ADF Azure Data Factory, how it used to show. Okay, it's done. Okay, so how the job is showing, job is successfully done, you can see. Okay, so now what we'll do, so so here first now we will see another example what we'll do here. So from task X, or the task from the notebook X, means the task A, from here we will pass few parameters. We will pass the params. Okay, we will pass the params we will pass. That will go to task Y, and task Y is for loop, and for each and every params, single params, we it will be executed, and it will capture the output. Okay, it will give the output. So in board I am not able to write properly. You can understand, you need to understand. Okay, so what it would be, so first I will open this notebook. Okay, task B notebook also I'll open. Okay, so this is my task A notebook, means the task, means the notebook X, and this is the task B notebook, means the notebook Y. Okay, let it load. Okay, you can see notebook X, and this is notebook Y. Okay, so now what we'll do, so we instead of this input hard coded here, we will take the input from task A, and based on the input JSON array, we will execute the loop, and b task, each and every loop execution will fetch the fetch the inputs, each and every uh, array element. Okay, okay, and it will print on the task B notebook. Okay, means the notebook Y. So how this will happen, first we will pass the values on the notebook X. So what to write in your code, so this would be the code: tbutils.jobs.task values. dot set, then as a key will this is my key name I should give, and the value would be like this. Okay. Okay, so this would be my value, and this would be my key. These two thing it will get passed, and how we will fetch it in the loop level, that I am showing you. So here, if I'll delete it, so click here, you will get to see the thing. So here, task dot task a, from the task a it will take automatically this the syntax it will come. Only what you need to do, you need to dot values, and dot, instead of my value you need to give your key name. Okay, give the key name. Okay, so what it would be. So now if I'll save it, first we'll see the values is properly passing or not. Okay, so I'll start the run. Let the run complete. The first execution it would be same, we'll get the changes from the loop task only. Let's see. So first execution completed, task A. Now if we'll go to the loop execution level, you can see each and every inputs. So whatever input you have, apple, mango, orange, banana, for each and every array element, the loop will be executed, and the inputs you will get to see. The last one, banana, will execute. Now what is our motto? Our motto is to get that input value in our notebook level also. So for that, what we need to run, what code we need to we need to write on the task B notebook, means the notebook Y. What code we need to run, what we need to write and run, that we will see. Okay, let's go. So apple, mango, orange, banana, all the things are here. Now what we will do, we will write the code, proper code in the notebook Y to print these inputs. So we need to make the changes on the job level also to get this thing. So first what we'll do, so this will providing this array on the loop task level, and loop task level it is capturing this as a key from its key. Okay, and after that each and every JSON array element it in the task B is executing. So I need to capture that each and every array element from here in parameter level, notebook parameter level. Okay, task B parameter level. So for that, what we'll do, I'm just taking here input, whatever input it is coming, that I will capture as item. Okay, after that I'm just saving it, so it will capture as a item. So from in task B, the things are coming as input, and it is capturing as item key. So now using that item key I can print it on the notebook. So for that, what is, so for that what we need to do, we need to just perform db utils dot widgets dot get the key. What is the key name, that we need to just put it here. Okay, done. Now once again I can execute the job. Okay, let's see. Let the task a run completed, it is pending. Now the run started. Once it is completed, we will see. So loop task run started. Let's see. For apple it is executing, succeeded. Now the next, for next fruit name it will start executing. For mango it has started. Let's see the apple, it is printed or not. You can see Apple value is, it is coming, the input value it is coming. Using this value, whatever logic you want to perform, that you can perform. Okay. For mango also it is there. Let's see the next two. For orange also it is here. So each and every JSON arrays, uh, mm, JSON arrays input value, okay, it will be, the for loop will be executed, and you will get to see the input and the input values. Okay. So each and every array elements it will get executed, the values you will able to see here, like this. So like this, you can use the for each loop. So it's mostly common, it is for each activity in our Azure Data Factory. If you know ADF, then it would be very much easy to get the understanding whatever we are doing here. Okay. So next we'll see the parameterization, the how to pass the variables, that we will see in our upcoming sessions. Okay. So I hope you guys have understood. If you still have any kinds of doubt, you can directly reach out to me via topmate. Okay. The complete, we are providing completely free sessions. Okay. No money we are charging. Okay. And if you like this video, I'd request you guys press the like button, comment if you have any kinds of suggestion for us, and also you can join in our channel membership, as it is a non-paid initiative. You guys can know, so it would encourage us also. And if you think our channel is providing good contents, then I would request you guys subscribe our channel and stay with us. Okay. Without you guys support, we will not able to grow, and we will not able to make a big community. So support us so that we can make this initiative in bigger level. Okay, we can take this initiative in the bigger level also. Okay. So thanks folks, thanks data guys for watching our video, supporting us. Stay with us for upcoming videos. For now, bye.